This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 24th of September. I'm Michael Groff. Wild weather across much of southern Arizona, including the valley. Yesterday, we saw just a little bit of everything. Heavy rain, flash flooding, some water rescues. We had large hail, a little bit of wind damage, plenty of lightning, and not one, but two tornadoes, one occurring just after noon yesterday near New River, another one last evening down around the Wilcox area, and the National Weather Service office in Tucson will be investigating that. As for today, the overall severe weather risk is pretty low, but still we'll see some scattered thunderstorms over much of southern and central Arizona, including the valley. What about the rest of the week? Well, we'll take a look at that too. First, we'll check out the almanac from yesterday. 90 degrees the high in the valley. 69 was the low that occurred with the storms last evening. 0.17 of an inch of rain in the bucket at Sky Harbor. Outside right now here at 8:35 a.m., we've got mostly cloudy skies. 70 degrees at the airport, dew points at 62, humidity 76%, the winds are light, and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 64 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 67 at Saguaro Lake and Buckeye, 66 Avondale and Goodyear, 70 in Arcadia. The rainfall totals, very interesting distribution as always. Widespread totals between 1/2 and 1 inch. Plenty of totals greater than that, 2.7 inches in Arcadia, over 2 inches in Scottsdale. But of course, as always, Sky Harbor Airport. Longtime Phoenix residents not surprised by this. The lowest total on the map, just 0.18 of an inch as of 8 o'clock this morning. Some spots saw over 5 inches of rain in northern Maricopa, parts of Gila County, but the one that stands out to you most here on this map, 8.22 inches near Apache Junction. No wonder we had flash flooding yesterday. Phoenix averages just over 8 inches of rain a year. So that's a year's worth of rain in about, 6, 8, 10 hours yesterday near Apache Junction. All right, the upper air analysis this morning, an upper low still spinning here over the southwestern states. That's going to give us plenty of unsettled weather for the next 48 hours or so before that feature starts to lift out. The watch warning map, we still have a flash flood watch in effect through 11 a.m. this morning. That will probably need to be reissued at some point tomorrow for more active weather expected. And still, you'll have to watch for flooded roadways and stay out of those washes. The convective outlook for today, an enhanced risk of severe storms up around Des Moines up to Minneapolis, St. Paul. Here in Arizona, the marginal risk south of the Phoenix metro area, down around Tucson, Nogales, Douglas, Bisbee, Sierra Vista. But then on day 2, this is tomorrow, much of southern Arizona in the marginal risk, including Phoenix, and the primary risk from storms would be strong damaging straight line winds, but a little bit of large hail still possible with that upper low spinning around. Precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, probably between 1/4, 1/3 of an inch. That's a pretty safe bet, but of course any one spot could get a lot more than what's shown here. This represents an average for the region. Let's get into the details of what's going on with this crazy weather pattern now. We'll break it down with the models. Check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that upper low spinning here over the southwest. It's just going to hang around the Yuma area or across northwest Mexico. So what that means for us down at the surface, partly sunny skies, widely scattered showers and storms this morning. They'll become more scattered this afternoon. Severe weather should stay mainly south of the valley, but some storms could produce some gusty winds and locally heavy rain here today. High temperatures upper 80s to about 90. Tonight, scattered showers and storms. Key word is scattered. Not everybody's going to get wet, but they could occur anywhere at any time. Lows tonight, upper 60s to mid 70s. And then tomorrow, partly sunny in the morning, widely scattered showers and storms. They'll become numerous by tomorrow afternoon as that upper low slowly begins to lift back to the north, bringing the better dynamics and upper forcing with it. And highs tomorrow should stay mostly mid to upper 80s. Let's look at the high-resolution models for better clarity on this. This is the 3-kilometer NAM tomorrow night at 8 o'clock. And look at that, CAPE values coming up again. This is convective available potential energy. Lets you know the instability of the atmosphere, the ability for air parcels to freely rise. And as that upper low lifts north, yes, CAPE comes up, so the thunderstorm risk will be there. Some of those storms could be strong. A few storms could be severe. Again, the potential of strong damaging straight line winds. We see that with the bulk shear tomorrow night too, with some diffluent flow aloft and shear values somewhere between about 40 to 45 knots, maybe up to 50 knots or so. So certainly the atmospheric conditions will favor some active weather tomorrow night. Nothing quite like what we had yesterday, though. That's the good news. All right, as we go to Thursday, that upper low will slowly be moving across the area. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will still be with us. High temperatures probably stay in the mid-80s. And then by Friday, that starts to move out. An isolated shower or storm over eastern Arizona, I think, will be dry, though. High temperatures upper 80s to about 90. The weekend looks pretty nice. Temperatures slightly below normal. Highs upper 80s, low 90s, both Saturday and Sunday. Then on Monday, we've got another trough coming into the western states. And that should keep temperatures in check. Highs probably staying just shy of the 90-degree mark. Then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 1st of October. Cold upper trough here out west, and that means maybe the first appreciable snow for some of the intermountain regions. But here in the valley, again, probably dry, partly cloudy skies, highs upper 80s. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Thursday, the 3rd of October. And that looks seasonal with temperatures probably right around 90, maybe low 90s. And overnight lows will be pleasant with a fairly dry air mass. Let's check out the precipitation coming off the European ensemble. Yeah, it's still showing 1.5 to 2-inch amounts, but the model spread is pretty huge. And obviously, any one spot is going to get quite a bit more or maybe quite a bit less than that ensemble mean. So keep that in mind. Some spots are obviously going to get a deluge like what we have seen. That's just kind of the nature of these scattered storms that we've had. All right, let's check out those temperatures through the period off of the GFS ensemble. Highs staying below average for the rest of the month. And then we trend up a little bit as we get out there into the first week of October. But still, temperatures close to normal. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video scheduled back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. And your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. I try to respond to all of those, so keep them coming in. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there, drive safe, enjoy the rain, and have yourselves a fantastic Tuesday.